Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can easily edit your WordPress website using the Avada theme. Before making any changes to the website, the first and most important step is to take a full backup. For that, we will use the plugin All-in-One WP Migration. This plugin allows you to create a complete backup of your website so you can restore at any time if something goes wrong. Editing the logo. Right now we are on the home page, where you can see the website logo in the main navigation menu. If you want to change or update the logo, go to Avada Options Logo. Here you will find all the settings related to the website logo, including different logo versions for desktop, mobile, and sticky headers. You can manage all logo-related settings from here. Editing the main menu. If you want to edit the navigation menu, go to Appearance Menus. Select Main Navigation from the drop-down. Here you will see all the menu items like Home, About, Services, and Contact. You can add new menu items, remove existing ones, or change their order by dragging and dropping them. Editing the homepage content. To edit the content of the homepage, click Edit Page from the top WordPress admin bar. Once the page opens, click Edit with Avada Builder. Now you will see the full Avada page builder layout. Editing the slider section. At the top of the page, we have a slider with text. Inside the Avada Builder, you will find the slider element, where you can edit the slider content, text, images, and settings. Important tip: please be careful while editing the page. Try not to experiment too much with layout elements, because you may accidentally break the design of the website. Editing the About Us section. Next, you will see the About Us section, which contains text and images. You can click on the element inside Avada Builder and update the text or images easily. Editing the Our Services section. Below that, we have the Our Services section, which is displayed in 3 columns. Each column is an Avada element that you can edit individually. Editing the Latest News section. Next, you will find the Latest News section. Here you can modify settings related to blog posts, layout style, and how posts appear on the homepage. Editing Sponsors section. For our sponsors, we are using an image carousel element. You can edit the images inside this carousel from the Avada Builder. Editing the footer. Global footer. Here you will find settings for the global header and global footer, which apply to the entire website. Any changes made here will be reflected across all pages. Conclusion. So this is a quick overview of how you can edit an Avada theme website. Always remember to take a backup before making changes, and make edits carefully to keep your website design intact. Thank you for watching.